Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by updating the whole stack because outdated firmware or drivers limit peak usage. Open Device Manager and verify current driver version, then run the vendor installer in clean mode. Once done, switch Windows to the High Performance Power Plan and connect AC power. That prevents power-saving throttles. Make sure Windows Update's finished and chipset drivers are current because PCIe or CPU power management can cap GPU utilization. These steps put the system into a state where full GPU load is possible and stable. Now you change settings that let individual apps use the dedicated GPU. In Windows Graphics Settings, assign your target application to high performance so it binds to the discrete GPU. Then use the GPU vendor control panel to force power management to prefer maximum performance. This avoids clock down under load. Disable unnecessary background apps and game mode caps that can steal CPU cycles. Also, adjust core parking or use an optimizer so the CPU feeds the GPU consistently. These moves remove software bottlenecks and stabilize sustain. You finish by validating full utilization with a controlled stress test or a real-world GPU workload. Monitor GPU load, clocks, power, and temps with tools like vendor utilities. If the card hits thermal or power limits, adjust the fan curve or improve case airflow, and consider small power or clock reductions to sustain 100% without errors. If crashes persist, roll back to a previous driver, reseat the GPU in the PCIe slot, and verify your PSU has adequate rail capacity. This troubleshooting sequence isolates hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.